I'm going to do a rear dome light on a Nissan Versa. So one, get your pry tool right about here with the switch there and give it a pry. Then turn the switch off, switch the other side, give it a pry, and that pops it open. This can come all the way off. Our bulb, there's a little tab here to pop the bulb out. I've already replaced this one, but you pretty much depress that and one side goes in. It's kind of like a fuse. I'll put a link in the description for that bulb. Then, boom, we have to do this hook side first. So this goes in like that. And then snap, snap. And that is the rear dome light for a Nissan Versa. This is a 2020. Make sure it works. We're good to go. This will work from 2020 all the way to 2024. I have another video doing the front dome light separately. I'll link that in the description. If this was helpful, we'll see you next time.